Hello everyone and welcome back to our second day of our critical vocabulary for this week. So let us go ahead and review the words from yesterday. So first we had timid, strenuous, and devised. So today our first word we're going to be looking at is distress. So take a moment and think of what distress might mean. Distress. If you're in distress, you are very worried and upset. Now, this used as an example in a sentence is, the loudly meowing cat seemed to be in distress, meaning the cat might have been upset or worried or freaked out about something, which is why it was loudly meowing. So, making the cat in distress. So, our next word of the day is destiny. Take a moment and think of what destiny might mean. Destiny. A person's destiny is what will eventually happen in his or her life. An example is, graduating from college was always Pam's destiny, meaning that from a child, this was what she was going to do eventually in her life. Another example is, graduation is in my destiny. I am eventually going to graduate college and become a teacher, so teaching is also in my destiny. Now, our next word of the day is odyssey. Take a moment and think what odyssey might mean. Odyssey. An odyssey is a long journey that is exciting and eventful. An example used in a sentence is, we used a map to plan our odyssey around the world, meaning that they had a map planning out every single place that they were going to go around the world in their journey and where they were going to travel. Our last word of the day is mortal. Take a moment and think of what the word mortal might mean. Mortal. A mortal is someone who lives and dies. In myths, gods are not mortal because they live forever. An example used in a sentence is, each human living on earth is immortal, meaning that we're all going to be alive and living now, and one day we will die. So these have been our critical vocabulary words of the week. Thank you so much for listening and watching. Make sure that you are taking your notes and your flashcards and that you take time to review these words so that you can do a great job on Friday for your quizzes. Have a great rest of your week.